In a peaceful little town lived a boy named David. David was intelligent, hardworking, and full of dreams. He wanted to be the top student in his class, master new skills, and build a bright future. His heart was full of ambition, but there was one habit quietly holding him back. He talked too much. Whenever David learned something new, he couldn't help but share it with everyone. He spoke about his plans, his goals, his ideas, and even his personal thoughts and feelings. He believed that telling others about his dreams would keep him motivated. And yes, he enjoyed the praise, the admiration, and the feeling that people were impressed with him. But despite all the excitement and compliments, success didn't come. His recent exam scores were just average, and he couldn't figure out why. Worse, some classmates even started mocking him behind his back. Feeling disappointed and lost, David decided to visit his grandfather one weekend. Seeing David quiet and troubled, his grandfather gently asked, "Son, why are you so down? What's bothering you?" David sighed and replied, "Grandpa, I share all my dreams and plans with everyone, but nothing is happening. I feel like I'm losing interest in my own goals too." His grandfather listened quietly, then nodded and said, "David, it's because you keep talking about your dreams. You're letting your energy leak into words instead of action." David was confused. "Really, Grandpa? Could that really be the reason?" His grandpa smiled and began telling him a story. Many years ago, in a distant village, there was a poor farmer named Thomas. He dreamed of one day building a thriving farm and living a better life. Every day, he worked tirelessly in the fields and saved every penny he earned. But Thomas had a rule. He never shared his dreams with anyone. People often asked, "Why do you work so hard every day? Why not tell us your plans?" Thomas would just smile and say, "You'll understand in time." Years passed. Slowly, Thomas bought a small plot of land, then another. He grew crops, earned money, and expanded his farm. Eventually, he built a proper farmhouse and a beautiful home. The villagers were shocked. No one knew how he achieved so much. One day, an old friend finally asked him, "Thomas, why didn't you share your dreams with anyone?" Thomas smiled and said, "When you talk too much, two things happen. One, people may try to discourage you, and two, you waste your energy talking instead of doing. Silence protects your goals. Words are like arrows. Once released, you can't take them back. I wanted my success to speak for me." David listened intently. Slowly, he began to understand. His grandfather continued, "Son, when you share your dreams too soon, not everyone will be happy for you. Some may try to bring you down. And when you keep talking about your goals, your brain gets a false sense of achievement. It feels like you've already reached them. That's why your motivation drops." David paused and asked, "Grandpa, then how can I change?" "From today," his grandfather said, "speak less about your plans and focus more on action. Let your hard work speak louder than your words. Silence holds a powerful energy." That day, David made a promise to himself. He stopped announcing his plans to others. He studied harder, practiced quietly, and avoided unnecessary chatter. Months went by, and he felt a change. His confidence grew. He stopped caring about what others thought. And in the final exam, David ranked first in his class. Everyone was amazed. When friends asked, "David, how did you do it?" he just smiled and remembered his grandfather's words. "Speak less, work more. Let your success do the talking." Years later, David became a successful entrepreneur. He inspired many, proving that true success comes from action, not words. Remember, talking less or more depends on your personality. There's no right or wrong. But never feel the need to reveal your dreams to everyone, especially before they take shape. Often, talking gives temporary satisfaction, but slows real progress. Build yourself quietly, so that your actions become your language and your success becomes your answer. Work silently, persevere patiently, and when the time is right, the world will notice. If this story inspired you, like it and share your thoughts below. More stories like this will come soon. Until then, stay patient, stay grateful, and keep moving forward. Speak less, do more, let your success shine.